Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a house or apartment you would like to live in. You should say, where it is / where it would be. What you would like to do there. Who you would like to live there with. And explain why you would like to live in this place. I would like living in a contemporary home in the country, close to the edge of a major metropolis like Vancouver, Canada, in the future. The concept of having a serene, picturesque setting that is nonetheless conveniently close to a city has always appealed to me. For me, Vancouver would be the perfect place because of its breathtaking views of the mountains, forests, and ocean. My ideal home would be roomy, environmentally friendly, and feature wide glass windows that allow in natural light and provide expansive views of the surrounding landscape. It would have energy-efficient appliances and solar panels, among other contemporary, environmentally friendly amenities. Along with growing my own fruits and vegetables in a lovely garden, I also picture myself having a little patio where I can sit, unwind, and take in the fresh air. In the future, my spouse and kids would ideally be able to share this area with me. Because it offers the best of both worlds, a serene, natural environment where we can engage in outdoor pursuits like hiking and cycling, and convenient access to city conveniences like schools, hospitals, and shopping malls, I believe it would be the ideal spot to raise a family. The fact that this house would provide a balanced and healthful living is one of the primary reasons I would want to live there. The outdoor area, tranquil settings, and fresh air would be ideal for mental and physical health. I would feel less stressed and more connected to the environment if I lived near nature. Additionally, owning an eco-friendly home would enable me to live more sustainably, which is something I've always desired. I would utilize this house to work remotely in addition to enjoying the outdoors. I picture myself having a dedicated home office furnished with all the tools and technology one requires to work effectively. The calm setting would be perfect for creativity and focus. All things considered, I would feel content and happy living in this home since it strikes the ideal mix between contemporary living and spending time in nature. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.